Hey guys, I thought I'd do a quick unboxing video of the tire kit out of the LX45. I actually needed it to do some stuff on my flatty, or at least that's the first kit I found. So I keep it in this kind of sealed up box. I like making containers for things, so I can label them. They're solid. They don't. I think once you get them full, they don't rattle quite as much. And I like picking the container generally before I make the kit. Like I kind of try and do the right size, but basically container first that fits in a good spot. This one's under the seat, passenger seat in the Lexus. And so anyway, so this is what's in it. Pair of work gloves. Cutting your hands trying to do tire stuff is never fun. Don't injure yourself trying to fix a problem. We got 3 or 4 large reinforced patches, lighter, a little mini roller and buffer for the patches, plug tool, plug ream. These are actually pretty heavy duty ones with metal handles. The plastic ones I've broken before, so these ones have set screw inserts, and they're replaceable and a big handle you can get on. This is actually one of the things I need. It is a longer core valve stem pulling tool. You can fish this through and then pull in a new valve stem if you break one. Some lubricant for plugs. Lots of tire plugs. Some of the, there's some more, that many, so fix a pretty big hole. Windstorm. Some small patches just for smaller holes. These are kind of take up space patches. Backup tool for the plug. Some stubby large diameter valve stems, problem solvers more than anything. Pair of needle nose pliers. An actual these are the basically like push through emergency valve stems. These you can do from the outside. They work okay. Some basically vulcanized cement for the patches, a small kit that has a bunch of spare caps, a 4-way tool, valve cores, looks like a razor knife, looks like maybe some valve extensions. Spare bolts for bead locks. I should probably add some. Oh no, there's some washers in there. Chalk so you can mark a problem or a hole if you find one. And then it looks like a couple large, or I should say long, spare stems. And then actually this is what I needed to use, is a Bead Breaker, or Bead Buster rather. These are really handy. Smallest solution I've found for actually breaking beads on like the inner bead on a bead lock or a regular rim. I do have a couple tire spoons, not in this kit but somewhere else, and looks like some instructions in case I forget how to use plugs. Oh, another little scratcher for tire patches, and a couple Allen keys. I think these fit. I think these fit these for replacing the ends. Yep, so those are in there, just so you don't have to dig through a tool bag. So anyways, that's what's in the tire kit. Thanks.